Hi class. For those that don't know who I am, my name is Devolia Powell. I am lucky enough to be self-employed, but also I work part-time as a discharge planner in the health field. Now the question is, what do I want to learn from this course? Or what do I want to take from this course? Well, that's very simple. I want to learn as much as possible. I want to fill my toolbox up to here and beyond on this subject. I did take the opportunity to read the first chapter in the book called The Boy Who Was Raised as a Dog, and it has really, really heightened my interest in this subject. So with that being said, I did take the opportunity to make a little list for myself. So bear with me for a few minutes while I share that with you. First thing first, I want to know what are the key concepts of trauma. What are some of the causes of trauma? What are the different forms of trauma? How does trauma impact people's behavior, starting from a childhood into adulthood? Is there a link between abuse and trauma? Does trauma victims suffer from mental health disorders? Is there a link between trauma and mental health disorders? Those are some of the questions that I'm curious to find answers to. Least but not last, I want to have a clear understanding how to work with individuals who are suffering or have suffered with traumatic events for future reference. Speaking of future career goals, my goal is to, from this point on, is to become a therapist, a clinical therapist. Yes, that's my ultimate goal. But, the old saying goes that you get to choose what type of clients you want to work with, but you do not get to choose their life stories. So with that being said, I want to make sure that I am well informed, educated about, have the tools, have the skills on how to appropriately assess individuals who have experienced only the history of trauma. Then after that, I want to make sure I'll be able to provide the most effective resources, services, treatment plans, etc. that will lead to the most positive outcome for these individuals. Well, I can go on and on and on, but I think I'll stop there. I'm a little nervous, so I hope you understand clearly what I'm trying to say. Thanks for listening to me, and I wish everyone the best in class. Bye-bye.